Good morning, friends. Welcome to Totally Dazzled. I'm Jennifer with Home Sweet Create. Good morning. I grabbed, let's see, I did grab a pack of the AB stones. I really want to go with the gray, and I'm hoping that these will stand out on that. So, what word do we want? We could do joy. Again, I want it to be like a patch, okay? Patch looking, so frayed edges, that kind of stuff. So I am going to just tear that little strip off. I just want to gauge how big, and we can always trim it some more. So you just do one little slit and tear, okay? So you've got your fabric. This fabric came from Hobby Lobby, but many years ago. Many years ago. So we've got our fabric cut to size, torn to size, whatever you prefer. Y'all, okay. So now we are going to take our stencil, and you just want to put it on a flat surface. Okay, so I'm pouring the SS10 stones on there, and then you're going to take your little magic brush. It reminds me of a school chalkboard erase. And you have to pay attention because they'll get in little places and they'll look like it where they belong, but it's not. You have one that goes rogue here and there. So I'm just going to get my extra stones back in there, and I'm going to go ahead and put them back in my little container before I sling them somewhere that they shouldn't be. So I'm not going to have as large of a piece, but I am going to cut this. We're not going with a whole entire piece today. Be careful before you put it down. Make sure you've got it tight and just let it go. Whoop! It's like cling wrap. But you just want to take your little, or I use this. I suppose you could use something else. And just go back and forth both directions and make sure your stones have clung to your transfer sheet. And then when you lift them, go slow. Okay. And so, again, we're gonna put it to the patch first. This is that little thing, and you'll look. I ordered off of Amazon, but it has magnets. I guess if you, I don't know, if you're sticking it to something metal, will stay in place. But I'm going to test it out and see what we think. It's like a instead of having an iron board, it's an iron pad. All right, so before I commit, obviously I want to make sure that we've got this about as even as we're going to get it. And I'm putting that down on the fabric, and then we're going to use our transfer sheet. Iron on high. We're going to let it sit. see here. Oh yeah, look at that. That came right off. No issues at all. Okay, that makes me happy. Okay, look. Look how cute. Okay, that's really cute. Should we put, I feel like we should. We can't leave our elbows. Should we do like the ornament ball for the elbows or something? Or would it look silly thinking like, what is that? Or the stars. Maybe the stars. Let's just do it in the clear stones. Let's just do it in the clear stones. It's all right. We're just doing it just to have a little extra, just to be extra. The little sparkly stars. All right, now let's get this on our shirt. It doesn't get the shirt. So if I was gonna cut the neck, y'all, I just follow, a lot of people ask, I just follow inside that seam. Now if you want it to fall off, come way out, then just start, but use this as your pattern. You know what I'm saying? Just follow that along and use this portion as your pattern. So I'm going to get the edges, but not all the way up, not all the way up to that frayed edge, because I like that. Okay, that is cute, y'all. Look. So instead of just going straight in on it, I think that gives it some character, right? With just a little square of fabric. I think it's cute. So we took some fabric. We used the Joy stencil with those red stones, so cute. And then we did the little arm patches with the little blingy star. And listen, probably like a $7 t-shirt. You just took it up to a level, right? So cute, super cute. Cut this neckline out. You could come in and do some additional little rhinestones. Just, you know, just have fun with it. Be creative.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.